Ankon, you were in the class in the last day. I told about addition. This is only paise. So you will have to put this paise. First, let us complete these 2 row and these 3 column. Look at this. First, this one. This paise, it is the unit. It will remain as it is. Now, what to do? 5 plus 5, that will be 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 4, 8 plus this 1, 9. 90 paise. Write it fast. Achha, those who already have done it in the book, they will have to do it in the copy. Okay, got it? Suppose you have already done in the book, then right now you will have to do in the copy. Okay? Atrika, Sholanki, Lamia, do it first. Now the next one. This is 5 paise. This one is 10 paise. 0 plus 5, it will be 5. And there is nothing means there is 0. 1 plus 0, it will be 1. 15 paise. Now do the next one. Sholanki, are you writing? 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. 3 plus 2, 5. Do it first. 57 paise. Now the next one. It is only of rupees, okay? First one, this will be 0. This will be 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 750, okay? Sorry. Up to this, all of you completed? Up to rupees 300. Acha, then look. This point sum we have to add. Point sum already done in the last class. Suppose 5.50 rupees. Then here basically 5 rupees are there and 50, that is 50 paise are there. Yes, to Lamia? Avigyan? Okay. Now look at this. Basically here what will be? This point will be as it is. Okay, and what are at the left side of the point and at the right side of the point? Just normal addition of them, okay? Now what to do? Look at this. I am writing this decimal point. Now this will be 0, 4 plus 5, 9. Achha, 4 plus 5, it will be 9. That means 9 point, rupees 9.90. That is 9 rupees and 90 paise. Yes, to? Atrika, Ankon Patra, Shuprit, Devattam, Rishit, yes. Acha, Shaptorshi, Rishabh, Anubhav, Aratrika, Mohammed, Tarsid, understood? Okay, beta, good. Acha, Aratrika, where are you? Okay. Aditya, Pornik, Ishan, Ankon, Jan, understood? Okay, Devi, Alvi, Alvira, Sheikh Jishamali, Anurag, Pranavi, Pushpak, Alvira, and Shuprit. Understood too? Acha, good. And Pranavi, keep your camera on, and Alvira, you have not wear the uniform. It is wet. Acha, okay, now do the next one. Decimal point will be there. Acha, this will be 5 and 7 plus 2, this will be 9, 95, right? This one will be 7 plus 5, 12, 2 carry 1. And this 1 plus 1, it will be 2. 22 rupees and 95 paise, right? 22 rupees 95 paise. Completed, Pushpak? Acha, this one. Pushpak, say the answer of this one. This is decimal point, okay? Say. First one will be what? 5? Yes, okay. Then next one, this one. 4. Here it will be the decimal. Then 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Alvira. 8 plus 9. What will be? Shuprit. 17. Good. Good. Acha, now do the next one. 6 plus 4, that will be 10. 0, carry 1. Now 5 plus 1, 6 plus this one, 7. Then point. Then 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. That means 39 rupees and 70 paise, right? Do the next one. Only the last column is left. That one will be your homework. Huh? Do the next one. Shuprit, are you doing? 4 plus 5, it will be 9. Then 6 plus 5, it will be 11. Now 11, 1 and 1 will be carried over there. Understood? Another one will be carried over there. Got it? Now this 2 plus 4 plus this 1. Count it. Count it. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7, right? Then 4 plus 3, 7. 77 rupees and 19 paise. Devattam done. Aditya. Anurag. Ishan, Ankon, Devi. Alvi. Okay. Now do the next one. Decimal will be there. Acha, 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Just wait for a minute. Acha, 7 plus 5. 12. Yes, though. 2 will be there. 1 carried over there. 1 carried over there. Now 9 plus 3. 10, 11, 12. Then this carry forward digit. 1. 13. 13, 3. Carried over there. 1. Another 1 carried. Now this 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Do this one first. 73 rupees, 23 paise. Ishan done. Do it fast. Those who have completed, they can show me their book. Shreyam. Understood, beta? Acha. Rishit, Sheikh Tamanna, Solanki. Okay. Atrika, Debattam. Show me your book. Avigyan. Atrika, show me your book if you have completed. Ankon Patra, Lamia, your mouth, okay? Acha, look at this. Look at this. Aratrika, now start to solve. Aratrika, if you have done this one, yes, this page. Suppose you have completed in the book, okay, then right now you will have to do in copy. Normal subtraction only we have to put the unit as well, okay? Acha, before that, let me say one thing. This row I have not done. I have only completed this one. Acha, this one will be your homework. These 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? This 4 question will be your homework. Now start. Again, here also look at this. These 2 column will be your, this column only these 2 sum will be your homework. And right now I will do this box. Got it? Now look at this. Everyone start to write. Start to solve. This one, 5 will consider this one. This 5 is less than 7. So we'll consider this one as 15. Now after 7, we'll start to count. Yes, so after 7, start to count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will be 8. Okay, first we'll consider this one as 15. The answer will be 8. But as we have borrowed one thing, this is borrowing subtraction. This 8 will be becoming 7. Yes. Now, after 1, start to count up to 7. Yes, 6. The answer will be 68 paise. Do this one first. The same thing here also 4, we'll consider 4 as 14. Now after 7, start to count, it will be 7. Okay. Got it? So as we borrowed 1, so this 7 will be becoming 6. Now after this 2, start to count up to 6. 47 paise. Do it first. Now this one, this will be 0. 5 minus 5, it will also be 0. Now this is 5 and this one 2. So it will be 3. This one normal subtraction. Na? Ankan completed. Devatta. Good. Rishabh, Anurag, Anubhav, Shuprit. Acha, do the next one. This one will be 0. Acha, here rupees and paise, these are mixed. So same thing, just put the decimal here and normal subtraction of paise, subtraction of rupees. This will be 1. 40 minus 31, that is 1, 0, 10. Okay, 10 paise it will be, and in case of rupees, 5 minus 5, that one will be 0. It will be 1. 10 rupees, 10 paise. Got it? Avigyan doing to beta. Now this one, 5 minus 5, 0. It will be 1. Okay, then it will be 10 minus 9, 1. Done. Rishabh, Pushpak, Devi, Alvira, Ishan. Okay. Now do this one. It will be 0. It will be 5. Then it will be only 1. Yes, so these 2 row I'll complete tomorrow. Okay, these 2 row I will complete tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll start worksheet and that maths magic page also. Okay. So only one chapter is left, clock and calendar. Okay, now let me check everyone's copy.